Delicious almond coconut brownie. Time 4 hours 10 minutes. Serving 10. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/3 cup water, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/2 cup coconut oil melted, 1/2 cup coconut milk unsweetened, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3/4 cup cocoa powder unsweetened, 1 cup coconut sugar, 2 cups almond flour, 1 teaspoon salt. Instructions: grease slow cooker with coconut oil. Combine together all ingredients and add in the slow cooker. Cover slow cooker with lid and cook on low for 4 minutes. Allow cooling mixture for ½ hour. Scoop out the mixture with a large spoon and form into balls. Serve and enjoy. Nutritional value: calories 289, fat 26 grams, carbs 11.5 grams, protein 7.5 grams.